Want AI images that look like real photos? It's not magic, it's a formula. Here is how to create high-end realism in Gemini 3 Pro. First, the setup. Open Gemini and check the model selector at the top. You must select Gemini 3 Pro. Do not use the standard model. You need the Pro brain to handle complex textures and physics. Now, the prompt. Stop typing vague things like a cat. That's lazy. To get photorealism, use the SLC formula. Subject, lighting, camera. S is for subject. Be specific. Not just a cat, but a fluffy Persian cat on a vintage leather sofa. Texture is king. L is for lighting. This separates photos from cartoons. Add phrases like soft window light, cinematic shadows, or golden hour. C is for camera. Force the AI to act like a lens. Add keywords like shot on DSLR, 4K resolution, or shallow depth of field. Let's combine them into one prompt. A close-up of an elderly man playing guitar on a porch. Golden hour sunlight hitting his face. Shot on 35mm film. Highly detailed skin texture. Realistic grain. Look at that result. The wrinkles, the light, the mood. It doesn't look like computer art. It looks like a memory. Stop guessing. Use the SLC formula to get photorealism. I've put the prompts in the description below. Hit subscribe and go create reality.